Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina. I hope everybody's having a great Tuesday. I have two things from Temu, and I have a couple diamond paintings from the tote. Hopefully I'll get two. But first, let's get to Temu. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to all my new subscribers. All right. I don't remember when I paid for everything. I will try to remember to put everything in the description below. But if not, just let me know if it's something you'd like to know the price of, and I will get it for you if you don't see it down below. First, I got this big old storage system. Sorry for the crinkle. I know that was close to my mic. Alright, it came with 4 sheets of stickers. It came with the funnel. It came with the brush to brush your diamonds out of the tray. Oh, wow. Let me inspect this and make sure it's not broken. This is a big tote, and it has 4 levels to it. And I think you can take them off individually. Let me see. Oh, yes, you can. So there's 4 of these. Let's see what we got here. And it does have a little handle. We have a lid that is missing its mate. There you are. There you are. And they are the little, they're the bigger screw-on lids. I love these. These hold a lot. In just a minute, I will tell you how many is in each level. Let's see. There's 52 in this level. So 52. And there's 4. So that will be 108. Is that right? 118? Hold on. 108. It's been a long day, y'all. My math is not mathing. So if I'm wrong, I'm sorry, but there's 52 here and there's 4 levels. So you do the math. And then it just snaps back on to this level. And then this little lid just snaps back on. And it has these little snaps right here. Right there. And it just snaps back on. That is cool. That's going to hold a lot of diamonds. I like that. All right. Let's get on to the next the next goodies. I do have more Temu stuff coming in. And I have PR packages come in. So I got me some nails. These are my real nails that I have on now. These are my real ones. But I got some fake ones. My nephew is having a wedding in a couple weeks, so I don't want to spend the money to go to the nail salon, so I'll just do it myself. Do it yourself. All right. And I thought this was bigger than what it is, but I guess I didn't read when I ordered it. All right. It's the little 20 by 30, 15 colors, all random uppercase alphabets. And it's a pretty little rose. And pretty. Stick is good. Sometimes these little snack sizes are perfect after a big painting. All right. Here's the thumbnail. And the drill field. It's very clear. There is going to be a lot of 310, y'all. 310 and 939. All right. This. Oh my goodness. This plate and wax looks like it's been used, or it has been melted or something. But Standard Boat plate and wax pen. Here's the colors. A lot of dark. And the red and the rose is the 666. So it's going to be that pretty bright red. All right. Now these two came from my tub, my tote that I bought from a lady here. So I do not know where she got them from, and I don't know the prices. All I can do is, if you want them, give you the canvas number, and hopefully you can find it. This one's pretty. All right, it's a 30 by 40. 22 colors, all random uppercase alphabets. Look at that. It's like Walt Disney. They're pretty. I don't know if that's the Princess Castle at Walt Disney or not, but in my book it is. I used to live in Orlando, so we lived right there and close to Disney, and we would get to sit upstairs every night and watch the fireworks go off. They set off. It's like the 4th of July every night. It's so pretty. There's the thumbnail and the drill field. It's very clear. If you see any canvases you like that I have shown, let me know. My daughter-in-law and I is starting our crafting business, and I'm going to be selling a lot of these, either finished, unfinished, and framed, or let me rephrase that: finished, framed, or unframed, or unfinished, and then you complete it yourself. So if there's any you like, let me know. And I will make you a good price on them, because I'm not here to get rich. I just got too many and I need to get rid of them. That is gorgeous. They're pretty. All right. It did come with a standard boat Play-Doh wax pen. And those pretty colors. Very pretty. So that's that one. And the last one. Oh, this one's pretty. 30 by 40. 23 colors, all random uppercase alphabets. Look at that. Little boy with his little puppy. And looking up at the moon and stars. Isn't that pretty? The stick is good. This is gorgeous. I love this. I feel like it's from a movie. I feel like this is a movie. Now let me know. Am I wrong or right? And there's the thumbnail. And pretty. And the drill field. Very clear. A lot of color blocking. So this will work out pretty quick. A little confetti up in here. Other than that, it's a lot of color blocking. So this here will work up quick. And pretty. Right, this is a little bougie kit. You have your pen with a 4-placer, 2 plates of wax, a boat, and some baggies. There's the colors. They are in the train. We call these a train because they are connected like choo-choo cars. Very pretty, and it's round. All right, my friends, that's what I have for you today. Let me know your thoughts. Like I said, if there's any that I have shown that you like, let me know, and I will see if I still have it. And if you want to buy it, I will let you have it for a great price, because I have too many and I need to get rid of them. So, and we should have our Facebook page up and going soon. And yesterday I said they would be in a frame. And what I meant, I didn't mean frame. What I meant was an album. So like the 20 by 30s in one album, 20 by 20s in an album, 30 by 40s in an album. But I don't know yet. I haven't decided if I'm going to put them in albums or just post them individually with the details, with the colors and all that. So I haven't decided yet. Let me know your thoughts. What I should do. Should I post them in an album or should I post them individually in an album by size or individual with details and a picture? Let me know your thoughts, because we're about to get this up and going, and we're just finishing up the last details. My heat press and all should be here for the tumblers and cups and stuff, and the hats and the shirts. It should all be here no later on Friday. So we're excited. We're ready to get this started. And we're going to do all kinds of stuff. So then we'll get the Facebook page up and going. So, but let me know your thoughts, what I should do. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for coming and sitting with me. And I hope you all have a great Tuesday. You all stay safe, stay hydrated, and stay cool. And I'll be praying for everybody in this path of this hurricane. I know we're supposed to get lots of rain and tornadoes from it. So pray for us also here in the Florida Panhandle. All right, my friends. You all take care. God bless. Love you. Bye-bye.